What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Will Trades back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite strategies that I like to implement in my futures day trading. And again, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like and subscribe to this video and leave any questions you guys have about it in the comments below. Anyways, let's hop right on in. So here we are in the charts, and the first thing we want to look for is main level of where buyers are dipping at. Let me show you, and main level where sellers are at. So I'm going to do a low and a high, pretty much level, which is pretty much right here to right here. And if we can move on over here, what a liquidity sweep is, and that's where I identify our liquidity sweeps, is to see, well, most times people are going to go in long right here. Well, where most likely are people stops? Where are people most likely triggering their stop loss to get out of the position? Well, right below that low. So when we can say we come back right here, all these traders and all these different types of people are going to get stopped out at this liquidity sweep right here before it reverses into the opposite direction. So what we want to do as traders is wait for a liquidity sweep to form. We can draw a little bit of a resistance level right here, and we can do two different types of things. Step number one is we can play the break high right here, stop loss again below the low, or we can have this move, put these levels right here, come back down to retest this liquidity sweep to go long right here, and then stop loss just below its low to actually make an amazing take profit right here. That is one example. Another example, you can see right here, a lot of people, we put a high, and you guys can see another liquidity sweep to the downside right here. Ton of people are going long, they get stopped out, and then finally moves in the opposite direction. And actually, another thing before we can just go in on this break right here, which a lot of people try to do, I'm gonna go short, coming back down into the zone. But the thing that we might want to even add into our strategy, which I like to do as well, is fair value gaps. And if you guys know what a fair value gap is, great. I have a full video about that in one of my other videos, but I'm gonna go ahead, get my rectangle tool, draw my fair value gap, and you guys can see that we come into this level, fair value gap to retest, and then go shorter. And that is one of the best things to do as traders, is to draw these liquidity sweeps to identify where the market and where the market maker is going to stop people out to then reverse in the opposite direction. And I do this time and time again, and liquidity sweeps always are based off of highs and based off of lows of the market. Another perfect example right here you can see is it doesn't work every single time. You guys can see that we come into this, come back up, come into this, come back up, and then we finally do break right here, actually changing direction. So that's why you always want to make sure that you have correct stop losses, correct confirmations, and don't just go in, oh, this will probably be a liquidity sweep, let's go in. Wait for confirmation. I cannot tell you guys that enough. Confirmation, confirmation, confirmation. But being able to do this time and time again, you guys can do this before market opens. I'm in Central Time, so I can trade this before 8:30, or you can wait for 8:30 to hit, wait for a high, wait for a low to be made, and then play the respective liquidity sweep to the opposite side. And that's pretty much one of the most basic and easy strategies that you guys can start implementing to become a one step better to a profitable trader. Again, I hope you guys liked that video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And by the way, if you guys want to be able to join my team, trade live with me every single day, do lessons and so much more, that will be down below in the bio. Other than that, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave any questions you guys have down below. I'll catch you guys in the next one.